Today we are going to start the encoder. So encoder, it is a combinational circuit which is used in calculator. It is one kind of digital circuit which is used in calculator. So in digital circuit we always uses the number from 0 to 9. So all of you know the calculator. Calculator, it is used to perform the operations such as your addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So what is the concept of calculator? How we are using the calculator? So when we are using the calculator, so when we presses the any number, so that number get converted into its binary number. Again, when we are using the when we are pressing the second number, the same number get converted into its binary. And after doing the any operation, suppose we are performing the addition, so after performing the addition we are getting the respected output in binary form. Okay, so the circuit which is used to convert the decimal number into binary. So this is the decimal number, this is your decimal number, the number that we are pressing on calculator, it is a decimal number. So the circuit which is used to convert the decimal number into binary is known as the encoder. Okay, so after doing the addition we are getting the number into binary, but we can see the number into the decimal format. जो नंबर ॲक्च्युली आपण आउटपुट म्हणून बघतो तो असतो डेसिमलमध्ये. मग जे सर्किट बायनरी नंबर डेसिमलमध्ये कन्वर्ट करत आहे, दॅट सर्किट इज नोन ॲज द डिकोडर. मीन्स आफ्टर गेटिंग द आउटपुट expected binary number, we are getting the expected binary number, and the circuit which is converting the binary number into decimal number, it is called as a decoder. And after getting the decimal number, we can see that number onto the calculator's screen, and the calculator screen is nothing but your 7 segment display. कॅल्क्युलेटरची जी स्क्रीन असते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इट इज नथिंग बट युअर 7 segment display. Now in case of the computer also, we are using the keyboard. Keyboard, it is used to give the input data to the computer. So the keys which are present on the keyboard, they are using the ASCII code. Okay, so to convert the ASCII code into the process data, we are using one circuit, and that circuit is nothing but the encoder. So all of you know the ASCII code. ASCII code, it is used to convert the your given keys into the computer's language. ASCII, it is one kind of language, it is one kind of code which is used in a keyboard to convert your respective keys. आता ASCIIचा लॉन्ग फॉर्म काय, अमेरिकन स्टँडर्ड कोड फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. So based on this logic, we are going to see one circuit that is called as a BCD encoder. It is nothing but your BCD encoder. So BCD encoder, it is a combinational circuit. It is a combinational circuit which is used to convert a standard signal into a coded signal. So for that we are using the BCD encoder, and this BCD encoder, it converts a decimal number into BCD number. Okay, So what is the use of BCD encoder? BCD encoder always converts the decimal number into its binary coded decimal. So for this BCD encoder, how the BCD encoder works. Now we will see the BCD encoder with the OR gate. So for this BCD encoder, we need 10 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, we need the 10 switches. Each switch represents the number starting from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is 9. So and then after it is connected to the 5-volt power supply. Though it is a switch, so it can be represented in this way. Switch can be represented in this way. Okay, it having the lines here. Then we have the 4 OR gate. Each OR gate having the name A, B, C and D. This is your LSB and this is your MSB. Okay, so now we can see that we have a number from 0 to 9. So when a particular decimal number is get pressed, these are the decimal number. When we are pressing these all kinds of number, then it connected to your high voltage given 5 volt to the corresponding OR gate. The switch is get connected to the OR gate and after pressing it automatically generates its equivalent BCD code. For example, if I am giving 0, 0, 0, 1. Suppose me हे switch press केलं. Then after pressing this switch is get connected to its respective OR gate and by using this 5 volt supply through अपन हे gate connect करणार and automatically it get converted into its respective BCD number. Okay, so when you want to represent this all numbers into its respective binary number, suppose 0, 0, 0. So 0. So if you are pressing the 1, so in case of the 1 we have the in binary number 0, 0, 0, 1. So only the last gate will connect to the high voltage. Okay, so then it will connected to your 1 and another gates are 0. Suppose 2. So what is the binary number of 2? It is 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. So this gate will connect to the high voltage. Now we have 3, that is 0, 0, 1, 1. So again only these both gates, these are connected to the 3, this 3. Okay, so like this connection 1 and 1. Now suppose now you have 4. So 4 it is 0, 1, 0, 0 means just connect the gate here, you will get the output 0, 1, 0, 0. Now 5 means it is 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1. So it will connect here 0 and 1. 6 it will come 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, again 1, 0. 7 it is 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 and 1. 8 so it is 1, 0, 0, 0 and 9 it is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so in this way you will get the output from BCD encoder when you are giving the respective input. Suppose आपण 0 दाबला तर 0 मिळणार. Okay, so now we are going to see the decoder. So what is the use of decoder? Decoder, it is used to convert the binary number into its respective decimal number. So decoder, it is also a combinational logic circuit which convert encoded signal back to its original form. Encoded signal back to its original form. Okay, so we have the BCD decoder, or we can say it is the BCD. It converts BCD code into decimal number or binary number into decimal number. So the decoder circuit performs exactly reverse function of the encoder. So it always accepts the coded inputs which generates the desired standard output. Okay, so we'll see the BCD encoder, BCD decoder. So this BCD decoder, actually this circuit, it is nothing but the circuit of your demultiplexer, that is many into one. Sorry, one to many. Okay, demultiplexer circuit, we know that always we are using the one to many logic. So your BCD to decimal decoder is nothing but the circuit of demultiplexer. Okay, so in this circuit, how this it is equivalent to the demultiplexer, that we are going to see. So here we have AND gates, AND gates. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 and up to 9. So this is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y9 up to y9. Okay, so we have the 4 lines here, 1 2, this is again 1 2. Okay, 1 2 and again 1 2. So whenever we are going to see its construction, so what will be the construction then? There are the select lines of demultiplexer, and these all select lines can be used as a BCD input for your DCBA. And this is your D. Okay, this is C, this is B, and this is A. So these all lines, it is used to give the input to your BCD and decoder, and the data lines is removed from this demultiplexer circuit. आपण जे डेटा लाईन्स वापरलेल्या आहे demultiplexerच्या सर्किटमध्ये, त्या इथून आपण त्या रिमूव्ह केलेल्या आहे. वी डोंट हॅव दॅट लाईन्स, but we have the many outputs such as from y0 to y9. So we have the total 10 outputs here, and the circuit is called as a 1 to 10 decoder because only one of the 10 output lines is high. याला आपण 1 to 10 असं डिकोडर म्हणतो, कारण फक्त एकच कुठलं तरी आउटपुट हे आपल्याला हाय मिळणार आहे, अँड देन वी विल गेट द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह नंबर. So if the output is active low, this can be obtained by replacing AND gate by the NAND gate. जर तुमचं हे सगळं आउटपुट हे जर लो असणार, ॲक्टिव्ह लो असेल, तर आपल्याला हे कशाने मिळणार आहे? We can replace this AND gate by using your NAND gate. Okay, so we are using here NOT gate, such as your demultiplexer circuit, to inverse the input. means this is D bar, C bar, B bar and A bar. Okay. So this is the construction of your BCD decimal encoder. Now here if you have 0 0 0, how you are going to connect? Suppose this is 1 0, this is 1 0, 1 0 and 1 0. If 0 0, then your all 0 lines will be connected here, 0 0 0 and 0. If 1, then all lines are 0 0, sorry 0, then this 0, then this 0, then this is only 1. If 2 0 0 1 0, so we can connect here this 0, then this 0, now this is 1 and then this is 0. Likewise you can connect 3 and up to 9. So these lines can be connected here with the help of these different kinds of AND gate. So if you are going to see the working, suppose your BCD input DCBA equal to 0 0 0 0, then your first AND gate will get the input 1 1 1 1 and it enables this AND gate and makes the Y0 equal to, sorry, if you have 0 0 0, so you will get the output 1 1 1 1 and it will enables your first gate. ओके, फर्स्ट अँड गेट हे अनेबल होणार आहे आणि मग तुम्हाला आउटपुट काय मिळेल, देन यू विल गेट द आउटपुट 1. सो व्हेन BCD इनपुट इज 0 0 0, so you will get the output 0 here, not 1. Okay, so when your BCD input, that is DCBA, is equal to 1, okay, then the second AND gate will be enabled. This second AND gate will be enabled and it will produce the output Y1 is equal to 1. Suppose your DCBA is equal to 0 0 1 0, then your second gate will be enabled, okay, and it will produce the output 2. So likewise we can give the input to this BCD to decimal decoder, then with the respective of this output this AND gate will enable, but at the same is enable at least once at a time. एकदाच कुठलं तरी गेट हे अनेबल होतं आणि बाकीचे सगळे गेट हे डिसेबल असतात आणि जे रिस्पेक्टिव्ह गेट अनेबल असेल त्या गेटनुसार आपल्याला आउटपुट हे मिळतं. ओके, सो दिस इज युअर BCD to decimal decoder.